For today's video, we are now on the road going to Manhoy White Sandbar together with our guests from Texas City and Cebu. The couple tour for today is nice and very calm, and also the weather is good. And I hope you enjoy, guys. See you later. Bye bye. So guys, we are here at Vice City. So you look at the sugarcane side, left and right. There's a sugarcane. It's from a Vice. Yeah, okay. Yesterday we have a guest. Couple guests from Cebu City and Texas. And Sir Jones and Ma'am Daniela. Good morning, everybody. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. After now, we go to Cannibal Port, going to Manhoy, the White Sandbar, watching dolphins. So my guest is preparing for a tour. So and next tour is see you guys. See you there. Bye. So now, guys, we are here now at Jollibee in front of the Vice Mall, Metro Mall. So this one is going road. The second road is going to the Cannibal Port, going there. So let's enjoy our tour, going there on the port. Let's see you guys, bye bye. This way is going to Cannibal Port. Oh, there is it now. Right out at Cannibal Port. Look at that. That island is the that is also a small island, over there. So yun guys, dito na kami ngayon sa may bangka. Kasi napakarami na ng tao dito guys. So, see? Alright. So ito mga tao ito guys ay mga bisita, yung iba dito is mga bisita at saka yung mga iba yung taga dito is mga board ko dito. Sila po sila dito. Yeah, guys. So, umaga ay prepare na kami dito. It's Sir Yoyo Vlogs. Hi. And yung akong official page sa okay. Pwede natin i-message si Sir Chams Narciso. Meron siyang Facebook profile. Okay. Pwede kayo mag-PM sa kanya. Ay dahil ito yung malupitang tour organizer ng Manhoy. Hey guys. Hi. Alright, see you guys. See you later. We are enjoying the dolphins later. Okay, bye-bye. Butag mo si yung bangka. Operator ka te? Oh, yeah. Yeah, sasakay na kami guys. Napakaliit lang, exclusive kami. Mapakalaki ng bangka namin, no. Kaya ng mga 20 person.
16 packs ang capacity.
16 packs pala yung kaya dito. So tingnan nyo naman guys, napakalaki ng boat nila dito. Yan, kalupitan yung tour organizer natin ito.
Hi!
Napakalupitan ang ganda ng pagka-sit up. Right.
Kulang lang sound. Ito naman
Wala na
Oscar.
Oscar.
Natin sila, si Oscar.
Yes ma'am.
So guys, manood tayo ng dolphin guys. Napakaraming dolphin dito. Ayan, manood mo. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys ha.